Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. The first 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so we're going to lift our arms and palms are looking up, and we're going to roll to the left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and our chest is going to roll 4 times also. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times. All together, roll, roll and roll and roll. Now for the legs. On the first roll, we're going to step to the right with our right leg. Then on the second roll, we're going to lift our left leg. So we step with the right, lift the left leg. And then on the third roll, we're going to step with our left leg. So we step with the left. And on the fourth roll, we're going to lift the right. So it's basically step with the right, lift the left, step with the left, lift the right. Then on 5, 6, we're going to step with our right leg 2 times, and then we're going to tilt our head to the right. Then for our hands, we're going to put them into close facing our face, and they're going to go up and down. The right is going up and the left is going down 2 times. Okay, so step, step. Now from the beginning, we go roll, 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 step, step. Next, on 7, 8 and so after doing this on 5 and 6, we're going to step with the right leg, then lift the left, step with the left and bring the right back. One more time, step with the right, lift the left, step with the left, take the right back. Okay, and with our hands are going to be in front of our face like this, and we're going to dive with our hands. And then they're going to flick our hair, kind of. So we dive and flick our hair. Together with the legs, step with the right, step with the left, and bring the right back. When we bring the right back, our hands are going down, palms are looking to the front. Okay? So again, dive, flick our hair, and hands are going down. Now from the beginning, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then the next counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after doing this, for 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to push our hips to the right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and our hands from the bottom are going to go up slowly until they reach our chest. So slowly we lift them up, and all together we lift our hands up. Okay, then on 5, 6, we're going to step 2 times again with our right leg. Our hands are into fist, and we're going to take the right down and the left up. So all together, go boom, boom. All together, 1, 2. Now from the beginning, from here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on 7, 8, we're going to step with our right back, then left back, and our hands are going to slide through our body slowly while we're going back. So from here, we go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. The next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 8, on 1, we're going to step with the left leg in front of us, slightly looking to the right, and our hands are going to be up and they're going to go down slowly. So from the top to the bottom. And we're going to roll our body forward 2 times, head tilted to the back, forward and forward. All together, we're going to roll, roll. After rolling, we're going to turn. So our hands are going to go to the back while we're going to roll and look to the front again. So from here, we're going to roll and jump. When we jump, legs are separated, okay? Hands to the back, looking to the front. We're going to take our left hand and brush it until we reach the right side. Our body is also looking to the right, so we're going to take the left to the right and then put it back to its place. And then with the right hand, the same thing, we take it to the left, but we're not going to take it back to its place. So again, roll, jump, left to the right, back to its place, and right to the left. Well done. Now let's repeat from the beginning, from this place. So gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to stretch our left arm all the way up and put our weight on our left hip and wait there for the first 4 counts. After this, we're going to go up, up, as we did before, stepping with the right and the left. And as we did before, we're just going to go up, up, but instead of rolling, we're just going to push them up 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, up. After this, for this part, we're going to step with the right and cross our arms and release them. So like this, we're going to cross and take them out. So from the beginning, we're going to go up, cross, open. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're done with the chorus. Now from here, with count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.